Hello, everybody. Super excited to announce today a brand new, relaunched, rebuilt from the ground up Knowledge Center experience. What we've done is we've actually rebuilt the entire thing from scratch, including going through every single article in our knowledge base, revamping and updating them. We've also filled gaps in the vast areas of functional capabilities of the platform with new articles, but just taking you on a quick tour of the experience. So first up, it's really simple, straightforward to the point. Go ahead, type in, search for anything you're looking for. You could browse through popular searches, or you could just get straight into the major functional areas. If you're just getting started, you want to get into the community, if you'd like to reach out and submit a request with our customer care team, that's right front and center. And going down, we'll see very simple, straight to the point. The major functional areas of the product are our major knowledge categories. Super easy to understand. You should be able to just get straight into what you're looking for. And also front and center on the homepage, we're always going to find our latest Knowledge Center articles. So with every new feature release that we have, we're committed to releasing new Knowledge Center articles. But we also continue to create new knowledge articles, just in general, and those will always be promoted here on the front page, as well as popular videos that can be instructional, demonstration, promotional, very exciting content here. On all pages in the Knowledge Center, you're going to find a huge call to action to, again, get in touch with the customer care team. If you're not finding what you're looking for, if you'd just like to talk to somebody, go ahead and click the button. And for any urgent matters, we have our phone numbers down in the footer listed. Give us a call, get on the phone with someone in real time and let a Bizzabo expert guide you through whatever you're looking for. But let me get straight into one particular product area. So let's just take a look at registration, for example. As we get into the content, we've broken things down again into those major functional areas with subcategories that are really understandable, really simple. Just like the dashboard, should be really easy to digest and navigate. But I'm going to get into one article. We wanted to make things so super easy to read and digest, so everything's clean and crisp, but we've also introduced a sticky, always present navigation through the article right in the article's navigation bar, so you can easily jump through sections, as well as look at any related articles on the particular topic you're looking at the moment. Now, if we get down to the bottom of the article, I'll see really easy to navigate through this particular category, but I also see any related topics that I can easily click through and learn more. And another nice ease of use feature, your recently viewed articles. Last but not least, omnipresent search, omnipresent submitting of a request. For anybody out there who has submitted a request, if you click on your name and click request, you'll actually see all of your requests right here in the portal, be able to see the statuses. You can actually interact with them right here. It's super easy, but that's not all. All of that amazing content that we just showed you that's been rebuilt and relaunched in the Knowledge Center now lives directly in the Bizzabo dashboard. Down on the bottom right of your screen right now within any event, go ahead and take a look and you're going to find the Bizzabo Event Assistant. Give it a click. It's waiting to help you. What you're going to find in the Event Assistant is a combination of in-product guides that will walk you through step by step, click by click in the actual dashboard on how to do things around your major functional areas. You'll also be able to search for any and all of that Knowledge Center content directly through the bot. Search for whatever you want. All the articles can be surfaced and viewed right here in the Event Assistant. And what's better is our AI-driven recommended content that is going to follow you throughout the dashboard and recommend content based upon the page that you're currently on. So if I'm jumping and I'm working on contacts, our AI-driven assistant is going to show you all the content related to contacts, or maybe lists, or let's say registrations, or the website. So no matter where you are, you're going to find the recommended content for what you're currently doing. I can open the article. I can read it in its entirety right here in the assistant. If I want a wider view, go ahead and expand that and scroll through and actually see that entire article. Now, Let's say I'm actually working. Oh, okay, I can close it, go about my business, reopen it. It's going to remember where I was. So it's truly always on, your event assistant. And we're so excited for you all to get your hands on all of this goodness. Thank you so much for your time.